Hey guys, Cameron from Audi C7 owners. I wanted to bring something to y'all's attention. As you know, we have been lucky enough to have some amazing sponsors for the channel, and one of them is Can Auto Performance, which most of you know that name because they make some of the best test pipes in the 302 industry. On top of that, they make a ton of other stuff. They offer parts for your exterior, and they have RS6 bumpers, RS7 bumpers, rear diffusers, tons of carbon fiber stuff. They even do 4.0 T, mid pipes and down pipes. They just have a ton of stuff. And we've done group buys with them in the past for specific things, but right now we are in the middle of a group buy with Can Auto Performance that is the largest group buy we've ever done with them. We're including all their test pipes, all their grills, all their bumpers, their rear spoilers, their rear diffusers, everything. Pretty much if it's on their site, they're likely gonna have it discounted extremely heavily. So there's a link in the description below, and that link will take you to an order form for a Google Doc. Now what you have to do, you have to go to their website and register on their website with an email, and then you go and you fill that order form out, and as you fill it out, if it's in stock, you'll get an invoice and you pay for it and it'll ship the next day or the same day. If it's not in stock, you're gonna have to wait a few weeks for their stock to get replenished because they've already sold out of a bunch of stuff. So if you're interested in it, this is a great time to save on grills, on test pipes, everything. I mean, there are huge discounts. When you go to the order form and you fill in your basic info, you have to put in an email, make sure it's the same email you use for the Can Auto website, and then you go to the next page and it'll have pictures and it'll have the list. It'll show you the retail price as well as the discounted price, both of them in Canadian dollars and US dollars. It's free shipping, or I'm sorry, all prices are shipped to the lower 48 states. For Canadian customers, there's an extra $35 for shipping plus taxes for Canadian customers. There's extra shipping outside the continental United States as well as international, so be aware of that. But I hope you guys take advantage of this because this is an amazing opportunity to get some really awesome stuff at a really heavy discount. So check them out. They're an awesome sponsor. They've been great to us. They'll be great to you guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. You have until March 5th to sign up. By the end of business day on March 5th, if you haven't made an order, you can't make an order after that. After that, you'll have until March 12th to pay your invoice. You will get your invoice once you submit the order. You can pay it, and the sooner you pay, the faster you'll get your stuff. But if you don't pay after March 12th, your order is canceled. All right, so get the orders in, get them paid, get your stuff, tag them in your post. Once you get your stuff, tag us too. We want to see what you guys buy. We want to see what you put on your cars, and we'll see how this goes. This order is open for anyone with a C7 and anybody who has a 3.0T engine. So all you B8 S4 guys, you SQ5 guys, please make sure you take advantage of this and get a killer price on some test pipes for your 3.0Ts. If you have any questions, let us know. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.